Hello children. Today we are going to discuss about a new lesson, that is prehistoric society. In this lesson you are going to learn about the three major periods of history: prehistoric period, protohistoric period and historic period. We will discuss here, and we also discuss the differences between prehistoric period and historic period, and we discuss about the different stages in prehistoric period. The changes appeared in the life of human beings in different ages like Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, Neolithic age and Metal age. First we will discuss about the three major periods of history. Generally, history has been classified into three major periods. They are prehistoric period, protohistoric period and historic period. In the history of human beings, 99.9% of history is covered by prehistoric period. But the evidences, proofs available to learn, to study about this period are not abundant, means not more. That's why the importance given to this period in the history is also very little. The period that has no record of writings is known as prehistoric period. Example, Stone Age. In Stone Age, the human beings didn't use any script or language. That's why to know about this period also you won't get any evidences. This is known as prehistoric period. Next, protohistoric period. The period that has a record of writings but it is not read or understood by the succeeding ages is known as protohistoric period. For example, the Harappan civilization. In the Harappan civilization, the human beings used their own script or language, but still no, we not able to read and understand that are those scripts. This is known as protohistoric period. The period that has a more record of writings and can be read and understood by the succeeding ages is known as historic period. For example, to know about our Indian freedom struggle, about Mauryas, Guptas, we have lot of evidences and we are able to read and understand all those evidences. This is known as historic period. The prehistoric period, in prehistoric period we are again divided into three major stages. They are Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age and Neolithic age. First we will discuss about the Paleolithic age. Paleolithic age, it is the beginning stage of human beings. In this period, the human beings were used fruits, edible plants and tubers etc. to eat, and they were live in caves and rock shelters. Caves and rock shelters are the early shelters of human beings. In this period, the human beings used small stone tools like scrapers, knives, bearings, etc. These stones they were also used for hunting and collecting tubers etc. In this age, the human beings used bark of tree and large leaves to cover their body. To protect their body, they use large bark of tree, large leaves and bark of tree. In this case, the human beings didn't get food, fruits, edible plants, etc. in all the seasons. So, at the end of this age, the human beings started for hunting and fishing for food. And in the end of this age, the human beings also know the importance and uses of fire also. The important sites of Paleolithic age are found in Hunasagi, Baijabal of Karnataka and Kurnool, Amaravati of Andhra Pradesh, and many places we can see the important sites of Paleolithic age. Next one, Mesolithic age. This is the period that came between Paleolithic age and Neolithic age. In this age, the human beings used small tools that were more efficient than bigger one. Hence, this period is also known as Microlithic age. Micro means very small. In this age, the human beings used very small tools which were made by stones. So, it is called Microlithic age. They used small tools which were fixed to a wooden handle. This wooden handle tools they use for hunting and collecting tubers also. In this age, the human beings used hide of animals to cover their body, to protect their body. They using honey, fruits, edible plants, etc. But they are not getting these all fruits in all the seasons. So in the end of this age, the human beings started to rearing animals. When they didn't get food, fruits, etc., they used their own animals which were reared by themselves. They used it for eating. The human beings in Mesolithic age roamed from one way to another way, one place to another place, in search of food for themselves and their animals. Wherever they went, they used to draw pictures on the rocks. In the end of this age, the human beings also know the importance of fire also. In Mesolithic age, the important sites of Mesolithic age are found in Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and many places. At the end of this age, the human beings of Mesolithic age started animal husbandry, means rearing cows, buffaloes, birds, many animals to get milk, meat, egg, etc. This is known as Mesolithic age. In next class, we will discuss about the Neolithic age. Thank you.